city-scale digital twin, the new operating system for global decision-making. Vizzio possessed the software advantage, AI-enabled mapping technology to deter and defend. Leveraging very low Earth orbit satellite imagery and AI-powered 3D city reconstruction, Vizzio redefines geospatial intelligence to deliver unmatched situational clarity, precision, and strategic advantage at the scale and speed demanded by defense missions. Our robust defense-grade platform translates raw satellite data into actionable, interactive, and ultra-high-fidelity digital twins of urban environments and terrains. These dynamic models facilitate instantaneous analytics, strategic foresight, and seamless operational coordination across domains: land, air, sea, and cyber. Designed explicitly for mission-critical contexts, Vizzio supports scenario modeling, real-time threat assessment, infrastructure surveillance, and preemptive response planning. Defense planners are empowered to rehearse complex missions, identify vulnerabilities, and deploy resources strategically, gaining a decisive tactical edge through precise, always-on digital replicas of operational theaters. From reconnaissance to strategic command decisions, our technology ensures bulletproof accuracy and strategic agility. Built from orbit, integrated seamlessly at the tactical edge, and scaled dynamically, Vizzio equips defense forces not merely for today's operational demands, but for tomorrow's evolving threats.